You might have seen those cool 3D AI photos on Facebook and Instagram, but have you ever wondered how they are created? Well, no need to worry, your friend is here to guide you through the process. Watch the video till the end, and please don't skip any part. It's a short video but packed with valuable information. Firstly, open Bing.com. If you're using a mobile device, you can download the Bing app. I'll demonstrate on PC. Once Bing is open, look for the 𝗂𝗶𝗀 icon and click on it. Now, ChatGPT-4 is open. You'll receive a prompt in the video description or comment box. Copy that prompt and paste it here. You can modify it a bit, like changing the jacket color or replacing the Instagram logo with YouTube or Facebook logos. In the username section, feel free to use your own username. I'll write 𝗂𝗲𝗰𝗄𝗎 here. Now, hit enter, and it will take a bit of time to create. Meanwhile, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, our images are ready. You can choose the ones you like and post them on your timeline. There's no copyright issue with these. So that's it for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Goodbye.